Hello friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of home decor. I want to install some shelving right here in the entryway. I used to have a pothos hanging here on a macrame, but I want to install some shelving so I can add some more of my collections, add some more plants, just make the whole area a little bit more inviting, because it's the first place you see when you walk into my home. So stay tuned and we'll work this out together and see what we come up with. Now, I had ordered these shelves from Amazon. They were just simple bamboo shelves. I figured I could definitely handle putting these up. And the way that I hang shelves is by using the blue painter's tape. I measure the back of the shelf where the holes are, where the screws would go, and I tear that off, and then I put it on the wall, and I make the holes, opening holes, before I screw it in. I've been doing this method for a long time, and it's the easiest way for me to ensure that I have a level shelf and that I screw it in correctly. So these were very easy to put up. They're not very big, but I didn't want anything overwhelming. I wanted just something secure that I can put some books, some collectibles, some pictures, and definitely some plants. So I just screwed these in, and we were ready to start putting things on them. Now, I wanted to put something up at the top that was not a plant, because it was high and I did not want to have to get a ladder out to water the plant each time it needed watering. So I went through the house and looked for some vintage books, some vintage ceramic items, and I found a little ceramic shoe or boot that I put up at the top. These are some vintage books that I got off of Etsy. And this is the Hoya Linearis that I potted up recently, and I think it's going to look really cute there. Here's the aloe vera that I recently potted up, and I do have some plastic drainage catchers there. I don't know, saucers, plastic saucers that I put on there, so when I do water them, the water doesn't drip down off of the shelving and it doesn't damage the shelving either. And then I put a picture of me and my kids. This was at my son's high school graduation. I added a vintage teacup there. And then I thought I need one more plant here, so that is the Cebu blue that I added there. Now at the bottom, I needed to clear out this basket that holds the dog's leashes and my sun hat. Give the table a good wiping down and a good cleaning. This little table lamp here is off of a website called Parrot Jungle. I'm going to leave the link below. It's not real Tiffany, it's just made to look like Tiffany. Let's give it a good sweeping before I change out the houseplant at the bottom. That Aglaonema red Siam has been there for quite a while. I'm going to move it right in front of the door and bring in another Aglaonema. Put the basket back after it's been cleared out. Rosie's wondering what the heck is going on. And this is the Aglaonema cutlass. Now here is the finished look, friends. I did change out the ceramic shoe up at the top. I got one that was taller, and I think it looks lovely up there. It takes up the entire little shelf at the very top. don't have to worry about watering that shoe, so it's perfect for that top shelf. The next shelf has the Hoya Linearis and the Cebu Blue, along with those vintage books that I got from Etsy. That little blue bird there I got a couple years ago from Hobby Lobby, and it just makes a beautiful little vignette on this shelving. These shelves are not very wide, so I needed to find things that were small but had a lot of impact decor-wise. The largest shelf have the aloe, the picture of my son's graduation, and that vintage teacup. And these are all things that I can change out, add seasonal decor for Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving. It'll be easy to add seasonal decor to these shelves. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Has a really good look right when you walk in. Now the table looks much better. It's all cleaned up. The basket is cleared out and it has just the essentials. Sansevieria there that was there before, and I left it there. Nice little cross, and the lamp also. I love this little lamp. It gives off a really nice glow. This table I got at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and the Aglaonema cutlass looks wonderful with its blue ceramic pot. As I mentioned, I will be potting that one up here very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Overall, I'm really happy with the look of the entryway now. It was just a simple 1-hour project, but I think it adds a lot of impact as you walk in. It really tells you about me and who I am and what I love, my plants, my collectibles, antiques. So it gives the impression of the person that lives here, basically. If you enjoyed this video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up and let me know if this is a project that you have done before and that you've added to your home. Super simple to do. I encourage you to, now when we're sitting at home and not doing much, to try projects like this, friends. It really made me feel better for sure. Thanks so much, friends. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And I would love to have you here in my plant community. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting today, friends. Have a blessed day.